Hello class, hope you all are fine in your places. First of all, I would like to welcome you all in this new session. I am Jinu George, going to take classes of information technology with the subject code 402. So let me inform you that in this year you have to appear for 6 main subject in your board pattern, and IT is one of them. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let us begin with an overview of your syllabus and marking scheme. You can see on your screen that the whole syllabus is divided into 4 parts: A, B, C and D. Total marks for the subject is 100, in which 50 for theory and 50 marks for practical. Part A carries a weightage of 10 marks, and it is completely based on employability skills. It may include communication, self-management, ICT, entrepreneur, and green skills. Part B is basically related to vocational skills, which include word processing, spreadsheet, digital presentation, email messaging, and a very one unit for web application. आप अपने प्रीवियस क्लासेस में MS ऑफिस पे काम कर चुके हैं, एंड आई बिलीव दैट यू आर वेरी गुड इनटू इट. बट अगर नहीं है तो प्लीज़ MS ऑफिस और सारे सिस्टम्स में अवेलेबल होता है, आप लोग प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो बिकॉज यू हैव लॉट्स ऑफ टाइम. In this session, we will go for the intermediate course for the same. Now, let's move to the part C and D, which is the practical portion. You have to appear for a practical exam at the end of the session. Also, you have to submit a project related to the theory, and for this we will discuss further later. So that's all about your syllabus and marking scheme. So class 10th, we will start our new session from very first unit of part B, that is web application basic, in our next video. But before ending this video, I would like to assign you some homework that is related to your communication skills. And I'm sure that it's gonna be a very interesting. So you can see on the screen, there are 22 sessions of functional English. Functional English means the normal conversation, or we can say the general talks between one or more people in any situation. So there are 22 sessions given, but I want to give you 2 of my favorite. So here, the situation 1. Imagine you are at a restaurant and the waiter has come to take your order. So create a conversation between the waiter and you. You can also increase the number of person in the role play, and also you can ask your any of your family member to take part in the role play and create the scene. Situation 2. Create the scene or the conversation between the interviewer and you. So for the questions, you can take help of the screen shown, and you can create your own questions. It's not compulsory that you go for the same one. So just create the conversation between an interviewer and the person who is giving the interview. Fine. So that's all for today, and if you found this conversation, this activity interesting, so you can take more option from the session which I have already shared, and also you can create your own. So thank you so much for watching it very carefully. Thank you.